Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you how Camphor's strength is tremendous. Camphor is an organic compound produced mainly from the Asian camphor tree and is found in several other plants as well, and can be obtained as an essential oil or in the form of solid wax tablets. Its smell is strong, its strength is tremendous, and its medical abilities will help you effectively and naturally deal with a variety of health problems. Camphor has anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antiseptic, and anti-congestive properties, making it a star with many advantages in natural medicine. Camphor is intended for external use only. Also be sure to mix the camphor oil with another oil before applying it, because camphor is a strong compound that can irritate the skin. Camphor has the power to relieve a variety of symptoms of respiratory diseases, such as irritable coughing and congestion in the chest, and therefore various congestant salves that are applied to the throat and chest contain this effective substance, such as Vicks Vapor Rub that some of you may be familiar with. Some of camphor's benefits derive from its strong smell, which is a bit reminiscent of mint, and its ability to open the airways. Camphor can be effective in treating acne. The anti-inflammatory properties of the camphor help it to help us with the treatment and relief of swelling, redness, and inflammation of the skin, as in the case of acne, which is actually inflammation of the glands and hair follicles. Camphor helps to relieve a stuffy nose. It has medicinal properties that help relieve congestion in the respiratory tract, and therefore is effective in treating a stuffy and runny nose and unblocking the airways. The anti-inflammatory properties of camphor are very effective in treating and healing muscle pain. In addition, the use of camphor oil to massage the painful muscles encourages blood flow to areas that are cramped and also reduces the feeling of stiffness. Cracked and dry heels can be a bothersome problem that is primarily aesthetic, but can also be exacerbated by pain and irritation. Camphor not only reduces the pain, but also accelerates the healing process by increasing blood flow to the injured area. Warts are caused by a viral infection that causes small growths on the surface of the feet and pain while standing or walking. Camphor, with its distinctive properties, is used as an effective and quick treatment against warts. Restless leg syndrome is a neurological sensory disorder that is expressed by a strong and involuntary need to move the legs and interferes with the sleep of those who suffer from it. The active ingredients in camphor oil help reduce the appearance of the irritating syndrome and relieve the difficulties of falling asleep. The camphor compound can treat lice. Combined with coconut oil, also comes to the rescue of parents' endless battle against head lice. Coconut oil suffocates the lice, and the camphor joins in to finish them off due to its antifungal properties. In addition, using both of these oils will soften and add shine to your children's hair. You can purchase camphor from your health food store as an essential oil or in the form of solid wax tablets. However, you need to be careful because camphor can be synthetically manufactured from turpentine oil. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.